Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make gooey hard-boiled eggs. Achieving that perfect, slightly runny yolk is easier than you think with a few simple steps. We'll start by bringing your eggs to room temperature, which helps prevent cracking and ensures more even cooking. Then, carefully place them into a pot of cold water, just enough to cover them by about 1 inch. Adding a small amount of salt to the water can also help if any eggs crack during boiling. Once your eggs are in the pot, bring the water to a rolling boil over high heat. As soon as it reaches a vigorous boil, immediately reduce the heat to a gentle simmer. Let the eggs cook for precisely 6 to 7 minutes for that ideal gooey center. This timing is crucial for achieving the desired texture without overcooking the yolks. Be sure to set a timer to avoid any guesswork. After the cooking time is up, quickly transfer the eggs from the hot water into a prepared ice bath. This immediate chilling stops the cooking process and helps prevent that greenish ring around the yolk. Let them cool in the ice bath for at least 5 minutes. When you're ready to peel, gently tap the egg on a hard surface and roll it to crack the shell all over. Peeling under cold, running water can make the process even smoother. Now you have perfectly gooey hard-boiled eggs ready to enjoy. Slice them open to reveal that beautiful, creamy yolk. They are fantastic on toast, in salads, or simply seasoned with a pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper. For best flavor and texture, serve them right away. If you have any leftovers, store peeled eggs in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 days. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to elevate your home experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.